Hello Queens, it's your girl Casey Marie, and if this is our first time meeting, welcome to my channel. If this is not our first time meeting, girl, thank you so much for your support. Anyway, in today's tutorial, it's part 2 from the previous tutorial on how to properly wear a lace wig. Today, I'll be going into detail on how to use PHamily Hair as a deep tissue scalp protectant / growth serum, and I'll also be showing you how to use PHamily Hair to trim your split ends. So let's jump right into it. Hey y'all, it's your girl Casey Marie, and today I'm going to show you how to use PHC as a deep tissue scalp protectant and how to trim your split ends. So the tools I'm going to be using, I've got this Denman brush and I've got this this comb here. Basically, I'm going to show you how to protect your scalp underneath the wig with PHamily Hair. But these are the two tools I'm going to be using for the combing and the brushing. And then I've also got some scissors. Now I'm going to trim my hair. Now these are not hair clippers, but mine broke, and I just never had my stuff together, y'all. So don't use these. I'm just be real. These aren't real hair clippers, but they're sharp enough, and I'm pretty confident that these will not cause split ends. I'm gonna make it work, but I don't ever do what I'm supposed to do, y'all. So just y'all do right, okay? And last but not least, of course, I got PHamily Hair here. I'm gonna be slapping this on my head and showing y'all how to use this as a scalp protectant. I've shown a previous video on how to use this as a scalp protectant, so I'm gonna be showing you guys a new technique. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna first start by, getting the PHC in my head, and of course, you can see I never, have a full jar because I use my stuff. Okay, I've said that 1,000 times, but I've gotten a lot of PHC in my hands, and I'm just going to rub it just a little bit. I'm not trying to make it into a moisturizer. I'm just trying to get it all saturated on my hair. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is detangled, so now I'm going to comb my hair back first. So I'm gonna get this Denman brush in just a second, but I'm first going to comb my hair to the back, because what we want to do is get our scalp massaged by the Denman brush, putting PHC on my hairline to really make sure that it's getting inside of those hair follicles. Okay? You want to follow your whole head. So you're going to come all the way down to the nape of the neck. So now I'm going to comb it the opposite way, because we want to go from here up now. So we went back, now we're going to go forward. My arms are out of shape like a mug, okay? Okay, let me straighten the back. Emery suggests that you do this once or twice a week, if you can. If you can't, try to do it as often as possible. Lastly, we're gonna comb it up, kind of like into like a ponytail. So again, got my comb. Do you see how this can be used as an edge control and a gel? I mean, you can just see that PHC really does work on your hair. It can really mold your hair. It will keep it in place. I know sometimes in the back, you know, because my neck, you know, I'll be doing this. I got to put a little bit more back here sometimes during the day, but not much, you know, but that's just because I be moving my neck. You know, I think we need to bring the side ponytail back. That is cute. It actually looks like, y'all remember in Living Color? Hated that. That's what this looks like to me. It's cute. Okay, anyway. Okay, so I just realized that I ain't got no clips to section my hair to cut my hair. So again, I just do what I'm not supposed to do. So I'm just gonna, you know, section by section, just a little bit off the edges and ends of my hair. Now this is my first time doing this too. I just, you know, let's keep it real. I'm not suggesting y'all do this. I'm just showing you in case you're interested. But I'm just taking the ends off. And I'm just gonna wipe them on a paper towel. Like so. I don't know. I just don't want to straighten out my hair just to cut, you know, to trim it. Now I know this probably somebody is a real hairstylist and is like, that is not how you do that. That's okay. Ooh, that was probably a little too much. Oh well. That was too much. I'm so glad I'm done with that, y'all. I'm sweating. I'm ready for a nap. I mean, look, it's hot in here. Lay down. I'm out of shape. That was hard. That was a lot. That was hard. That was a lot for me. A lot.
Well, that's all I've got for now. Thanks again for watching, and always remember, keep moving forward.